Welcome everyone to another EFX tutorial. My name is Chris, and today I'll be showing you how to arrange your devices neatly into an EFX group. Groups allow you to synchronize multiple EFX devices together, enabling smooth, simultaneous control of your group of devices. This means that you can turn multiple frames on and off, or synchronize their colors and color functions to play together at the same time. To begin, make sure you have an EFX Cloud account and at least 2 EFX frames connected to it. Once you have your devices connected, select the plus icon in the top right-hand corner, followed by Create Group. A group will be created in the main menu of the EFX app. To modify its settings, press and hold that group's name until the group menu appears. From there, you can assign devices, rename the group, or delete the group altogether. Selecting Assign Device will allow you to add and remove devices from that group. Use the plus and minus buttons to add and remove devices as desired. With your devices now added, your group is successfully created. Thank you for watching this setup tutorial. If you should have any further questions, please send us an email at info@efximagery.com.